Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Safari cannot install profile due to unknown error. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to install any profile, it might be your Apple developer or any beta profiles. So you might see a display error which is Safari cannot install the profile due to an unknown error. So let's fix this unknown error. So the very first thing you have to go back from here. So the unknown error might be your network issue. So you can easily fix this by fixing your network. Not do this. Just scroll down in control center and make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. After doing this, go to settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, you can also try to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can go to settings app again, go to apps section, look for Safari app here, and here you just have to scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Tap on it, then tap on all history, then select clear history. So it will clear all the history and website data. So if there will be any bug or any junk files with your Safari browser, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing this, I recommend you have to try to make a forced restart before you use your browser. So just quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.